It wasn't actually supposed to have started today. It's just that we were supposed to have rounded up the formalities today. The repatriation is on course. Mr. President himself has reiterated the fact that this aircraft must come to South Africa, and our citizens who are imperiled will have the chance of getting on this aircraft to be brought back to their country.
How many people are we looking at?
The figures keep increasing. There are several processes, as you know, that have to be undertaken by South African Homeland Security. They ensure that we screen our citizens who want to return. They also are part of the screening process. And once the citizens are cleared, they are given a paper that indicates that they are free to go, essentially. So once this situation started getting worse, the President directed that a crisis response unit be immediately set up within our consulate and also the Nigerian mission in Pretoria. So as things are, we have people in different provinces. We also have people who need to be assisted to get to the Nigerian consulate in Johannesburg. So we're in the process of all that, but the documentation, which is the most important aspect of this, has been done.
Those Nigerians that have shown interest to return back home, are they only cases of illegal migration? Because some South African authorities today said that most of the cases are illegal migration.
That is absolutely untrue. Citizens are being harassed. Our citizens, their properties are being looted. Criminal actions are perpetuated on our citizens. The police refuse to do anything. The South African government has not come out strongly, firmly enough to condemn these incidents. So our citizens are imperiled. They are in distress. So they cannot be said to be illegal migrants. People who are doing legitimate business have their shops looted. They have their shops set on fire. Children cannot go to school because they are intimidated in their schools. So to say that Nigerians who are in South Africa doing legitimate business are illegal migrants is absolutely untrue.
Nigeria is not happy with South Africa.
Nigeria is not happy because Nigeria has sacrificed much for the South African struggle for independence. Nigeria sacrificed quite a lot, committed funds, committed resources to aid South Africa. In schools, seats were reserved for South African students. My own generation, we carried placards. We demonstrated in front of South African assets. Sometimes we even got arrested for doing this. And Nigeria is a serious frontline state. And Nigerians are not happy about how they have treated us. They are not asking other migrants to leave. They're only asking black migrants to leave.
Are we looking at the possibility of retaliatory measures?
Well, that is a situation that we are considering. This is up to our legislature. This is up to the highest. This is a decision that has to be taken at the highest level of government, but it's not off the table.
Are there plans on that way when these Nigerians come back to the country to actually, get them set up and start their life and give them right to society?
This evacuation is being undertaken with NEMA. We're doing that with various government agencies and parastatals to ensure that once they come in, they can be rehabilitated.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.